How to remove a payment method from Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method from Google Play Store. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and tap on payments and subscription. And now here in this section, you can just tap on payments method. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can simply scroll down and tap on more payment settings, and this will open your Google payment page where you can manage all saved payment method. Now here you can simply find the card or payment method that you want to remove, and after that you can just have remove beneath the payment method. And here, if the card you're removing is your only payment method, then Google may ask you to add another payment method before continuing. So follow the on-screen instructions if prompted. And once you have confirmed the changes, your selected payment method will be removed from your Google Play account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.